Today we are unboxing and building the 63-inch farmhouse style desk from Sedeta. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, Joe here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're going to dive into this desk build. I don't build furniture very often. In fact, I almost avoid it. Just so everyone knows, part of what we're testing today is how intuitive and easy this is to build for someone who's not really a builder. But this thing is really nice in the pictures. It's heavy duty just by hauling around the box. I had to have some friends help me move it. This thing is beefy. So I'm just really hoping that once I get it all put together, that's represented in the build, the quality and the durability and everything that you would expect from a nice desk. Today is not a sponsored video. However, Sedeta did send me this desk to do for this video. Having said that, if I have a problem, I'm gonna share it with you guys so that y'all are aware and you can make your own decisions. Okay, so let's get this chair out of the way and let's get into it. So this desk came in really quickly when I ordered it, but let's just get this thing, heavy, fragile. Obviously this thing's really heavy. I don't know the best way to open it. I'm just gonna like rip into it, I guess. Ooh, it's a very nice color there. Wow, this is pretty cool. I need to find the directions. Are they on the bottom? Oh, here they are. Directions and the pieces and the tools too, thank goodness, because who's got tools for building desks? Single computer desk, 2 people recommended for the build. Maybe I'll be okay now that it's here. If you're familiar with the channel, these are normally for emergencies only, but I have no idea how to build a desk. So we're just gonna keep these instructions handy. So it sounds like we need to find piece number 12 first. I've definitely built furniture before. This has more pieces than anything I've ever built, but it seems like as long as I set things out and stay reasonably organized and have a big enough space, I shouldn't be too overwhelmed or anything. I should be just fine to get this done. One of the things that I'm trying really hard to do is keep the orientation correctly. So it may look upside down to you, but the feet in the picture are pointing down, like the legs of these pieces. So I've got them pointing toward me. That way everything hopefully correlates as we continue this build. So I'm gonna find the drawer tracks next. Okay, so I think that from here on out, I'm gonna do a time lapse here for the recording. I'm gonna go through the build. At the very end of the video, I'm gonna get back on, I'm gonna share my thoughts. Okay, so we're done. I finished building the 62-inch desk from Sedeta, and I gotta say, there's only one thing that I found that I didn't really like, and it's the little stickers. Let me show you. So the very last step is you put on these little stickers, and they're supposed to cover up the screw heads and things like that. I think that for some of them, these just don't look very good. The color on these is just slightly off, and the screws are just small black screw heads. And they're the little Allen key head screws or Allen head screws, whatever they're properly called. But I just want to share that. So I did put a few of these on, and then I'm gonna leave the rest off because I just don't like the look, and the screw holes don't really bother me. Also, I've had other pieces of furniture over the years that have the little furniture screws similar to what this has. And I find that every year or two or whatever for moving things around, I just got to tighten those screws up. And so I'd rather just be able to access the screws than put these on there and have to deal with peeling them off, peeling them back on, and everything like that. First of all, everything was super well put together. The instructions made sense the whole time. I had zero trouble following the instructions. They were in clear English, like English that I could understand clearly. The pictures were really good. There was one board that didn't have a parts sticker on it. Only one out of the whole thing. And so it was very easy to figure out which one it was, because also in the instructions, there's an illustration that shows every single piece. And so I was able to pretty much figure out what it was. And then by looking at the screw holes, according to the diagram and everything, I was 100% confident that that one piece that was missing the parts number sticker was the correct part. I just want to share how I feel about this, and I feel really proud of myself. I don't build furniture very often. I'm not like a screwdriver and nails and hammer kind of guy most of the time. And I feel like I did it. I can do it. I'm very excited. I feel very proud right now. I had zero hiccups. I also took zero breaks outside of I think I got up for 1 minute, but I didn't need any breaks. It took me about an hour and 40 minutes, I would say. I'll put the actual time that it took me right here. I thought it was going to take me about 2 hours, and it definitely went a little bit faster than that. I still have my pile of garbage to pick up. Obviously, there's options to get a desk like this with less assembly required, especially if you're going to go the used route. If you're going to look at Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, Goodwill, or another store like that, then you're going to get something that's used, and then it's going to be pretty much fully assembled. So then you need a rig and help moving it home, moving it through your doorway, and moving it into the room and getting it all set up. What's great about this is it just showed up to the front door, FedEx. It came only probably 2 or 3 days after Sedeta said that they were going to send it, which I thought was very fast. I was very impressed. If you're looking for something new and you want to walk away from putting it together feeling the way that I feel right now, then look into Sedeta. It's really, really great product. I actually really enjoyed this. I just feel really good. Look into Sedeta. They have gaming desks, office desks. They've got something like this that's gonna fit more in the living room. They've got a lot of different options, colors, and layouts. And for their price, it's really tough to beat. It really is. Now, a couple more notes on the assembly. The next time that I build furniture, I'm not gonna use the tools that come with it. I did today 100%, and the reason is because for this video, I wanted to test it out, try it, and I wanted to be honest with you guys and say, hey, this tool did not work. Or, hey, this tool made it through the whole assembly process, which is what I can say. Both tools made it 100% through the assembly process. However, the next time I build furniture, I'm gonna look into a kit like this. Here's an Amazon link to a screwdriver that you can exchange the tips on, and it's got a tip that's gonna fit furniture just like this for the Allen head. If I had that, a lot of things would have gone a lot smoother today. But having said that, it just took a few minutes longer to use the tools. My hands are not feeling the best, not feeling the worst. But I just wanted to be open and honest with you guys about all that. All right, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. If you got anything for today's video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments about the desk that I just put together from Sedeta, just leave a comment down below. Have a good one.